with my sister! Kakauwi lang niya from where?
Thailand!
Yes! Okay. So, this is our Get Ready With Us video. I'm so excited to do this video. So,
I'm not as expert as her, but then I can try.
So, she's pretty, right?
No, you're pretty.
Baka mag-Tagalog kami, Bisaya, and English. So, please don't mind us. Okay, so let's do this. Without further ado, let's get started! Magulit ka sa face. At least
So I was told to use this sanitizer.
yes. Kailangan yan, diba?
Don't do this.
Okay. Start with eyes. Ooh, nice ni siya. Gamitan eh. Mag-primer. Uy, pag primer, na primer din eh. Tara oh. Try ganin eh.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna prime with LA Girl Pro Concealer sa aking eyes. It's my first time using it. Pero, basta hindi ay sada. So, iba. Prime. What's yung look going for? What look?
Going for a vacation. Just like
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm...
So, let's just put
Hair on the back.
oh yeah. Hala, grabe, day.
I'm not really good in cameras like you.
Hoy, din yun. My gosh! Burag chopaw akong nangung ka ng tapad taday.
You're like so
Uy,
baboy.
grabe, oh! Tanaw mo! Para akong baboy. Di ka mag-foundation? Mag-concealer ka? Grabe naman!
Foundation. Wrong.
Gagawa kami ng, ano to? Korean spicy noodles challenge soon. So please. And I'm gonna set up with powder.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so funny. So, kana bronzer dye.
Okay, I'm sorry. Not really good in makeup. You did not tell me that.
Nay. Unsa mo na yan?
This is contour.
Yes, you can use that for the eyes as well if may hand ka.
Okay.
Ay, pwede mag-naked to ka if may hand ka. Wait, wala pa ka naman sa face, di ba? Uy. Wala ka sa face?
Finish.
Ha? Those, hindi naman niya
I just wanna
kailangan
try this.
ng maraming makeup. Kasi wala naman siyang masyadong imperfections like ako. Diba?
Eto oh.
Ni, Talara? Ako walang tawa dahil marag buang.
This is so big.
Yun. So,
Oh my
paano
God.
na ako? Diba?
Anong paano na ang...
Unsa na lang ko, day? Wow! Tada diyan ni day. I love.
I'll just try the makeups. She have it. She have here.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Imperfection of the face.
Ay, tangi. Naalayan kag powder? Okay. I'm using now LOL bronzing powder. So, can you guess how old she is? Sakto kong grammar. Sino makakasabi kung ilang taon na siya?
Wag na. Baka masaktan lang ako.
Oy, dili, oy. Grabe. For sure, sasabihin nila, you're 40 years old.
And you? You're 50 years old?
This is so fun. Grabe. First time, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi lagi ako lang talaga sa videos.
Just try to keep the hairs on your face. So, wow. So maitim the face. I'm not sure if it's my face or it's the makeup. Oh my god. Don't laugh at me.
Agay. Funny kayo ka, Day.
Your nose is getting bigger every time. So funny.
Mura kagatan, Day. Uy, itong kayo mong nahong.
It's okay.
Hala ako kay pink lagi kayo.
Let's try the eyeshadow.
Pag-primer, Day. Hindi talaga siya masyadong marunong sa makeup. Like, konting makeup lang. Gorang siya. So, yes. Hindi. So, unsa na, Day?
This concealer. I think so. Here. High definition concealer. Just to make the face more whiter. Which is already very black.
Really funny. Grabe.
God.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Bongacious. Okay. Unsay next name mo? Muna ka sa face jod. Muna na. Hindi ka mag-contour or whatever. Nakoy, gamitan ni Day.
Oh my god! She told me to use this. And my face is already very black. If I use this, it will be a very, very, very black. Maybe I will be a negro. You do your makeup faster.
Makalinaw. Ano siya naman ito? Ang gumapon.
What are you doing? You just mind your makeup. What are you looking here?
Parang di-brush naman na mo. So funny talaga. Grabe. Okay. Gusto pa akong buhatin. Okay, I'm gonna use...
Look at your face. Go clear. Very big.
Uy, bito.
Go backward. Oh, very small.
Huwag ka hinara ko din eh. Hindi
Oh,
ako.
we should stay.
Oh, ay! Muta ko, samot ako na. Very small face. Grabe, my gosh. I need to... Mag-zumba kami mamaya. Diba? Diba?
At isang once lang sa kanya. Kasi hindi na niya carry.
Do a cut crease. Sana maging... Ay, giligod ko pa ba yung ano tayo? Oh, so weird.
Okay.
Muna na yung
Are you
eyes?
finished?
Muna?
No, not yet.
Grabe ah.
There's too many brushes. And I really don't know what to use. She's using... I'll just follow her.
Oh yeah. Murag sige good ani. My go-to look. Yeah, right here. Para bago, I'm gonna use this shade all over. Napagid ko ka-try ani. Gosh. Oh, okay. Hindi pala siya like so dark. I'm gonna try this one. Just don't mind the makeup. Ay, hindi ka pilayhan. Ganun daw. Darker, darker. I'm gonna apply this one all over. Imong kilay, day.
Oh, yes. I almost forget.
Naa? She's all around, diba? Sa face, napunta sa eyes, tapos hindi pa natapos yung eyes, sa kilay naman siya. So funny talaga. Abi na ako, ibutang mo sa kilay.
Over?
Ay, grabe, baling tapuan ako.
You should wear color black, all black.
Mugay, tanan gani akong ipalit black. Black talaga, as in, lalush. Ay, akong kilay, marag siyot.
Okay, let's just put this.
Let's do the brows. I'm gonna use powder today. Actually, ginawa ko na tong brows na to. I don't like. Wow, so light. I don't like. So, let's do the face na muna. Nagka-primer ka, wala?
I already put the primer.
Oh. Silver primer. So, foundation na gagamitin ko is Revlon Yearly Naked. You should try this one. So ganda this one.
Whoa, shit! Oh my god, look at this!
It's black.
Your face, you wanna be black?
Dito so? It's like black joke yung tawa. Black. Black kasi yan sa kanila eh. Diba? So,
I'm good
gonna
with this.
apply this all over.
Oh my
Apply
gosh.
this. Diba? Yung daghana, day.
My hair is so gubot. Gubot is...
What's gubot? Explain, please. So,
What is gubot? You explain to them.
messy? Sakto, messy.
Yes.
Oh, because...
And in Tagalog.
Magulo?
Diba?
So galing. So
Ikaw na
good.
talaga.
So, because sobrang like dark talaga si I applied too much. My gosh. So,
Not really good in makeup.
this one I like this foundation. You should try this one. I love. Super ganda toy. May naadiri oh, ano nga ka ni gamit ani?
But basa your face.
Ha?
It's all wet.
Yes. Ganyan talaga. It makes your skin like really dewy.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir. O, diba? Bongacious.
Naging black na din face mo.
Uy, ito. Nag-block sa? Okay lang yan.
Mas mabuti na ako sa kanya. In fairness.
It's okay. I'm gonna highlight naman. Diba?
Oh my god.
No problem. Oh, hala, grabe, day. Daghan kayo kung i-apply.
My areas.
Yes. So, how's your trip? Kailan ka ba dumating? Sige. Let's talk.
Maybe 2 days ago.
Oh, like ay, gano'n. So funny, right? Oh my gosh.
So let's travel around.
Yes, sir.
And do this makeup thing.
I think video is for her.
No.
Diba? Comment below if you think that's for her din, diba? I really think that she will kill it. Mas
No.
bagay ata sa kanya. Diba?
Hindi, mas bagay sa'yo.
I really want her to do the fashion, diba? Kasi parang awan ko dito. Hindi ko mag-gets. Ayaw niya ata eh. Or busy-busyhan lang ang peg. Look, oh, grabe ka-dewy, day!
Oh my god! What, you're going to the Santa Cruz on? Oh my gosh!
Uy, grabe ha, bay.
And mine is like
Wala. This one here is
gorilla. For it's so much better than before.
yes. Her brows dati is like
It's like a gorilla.
yes. Tamang-tama yun. Gorillang gorilla talaga yung
So my
niya.
sister is the one who make it for me.
Yes.
So
Concealer,
it was
I'm gonna
shade.
use. Ang concealer palang ginamit ko is the Better Skin by Maybelline. Shade 21.
It's natural, same.
Yes, sir.
She really do the makeup very, very well.
No.
So she's really the expert.
Uy,
So she
Grabe
do
kayo ako, ah.
everyone's makeup here at home.
yes, sir. Kaya ako may bayot diri. oh, yes.
Should subscribe because she's
Yes.
really good on this.
Siya din. Kailangan din kayo mag-subscribe. Comment below if you want her to have made her own channel.
My God, baka mag-run away, mag-zero
Way
pa.
over! I think people will like love her. Diba? Diba? That's what I think as well. I really, really, really like her to have her own. Pero, mas maganda kung dito na lang. Para same kami. And, hindi na siya mag-maintain
dapat
ng
dito
ano.
lang.
Diba?
Oo.
Hindi na siya mag-maintain ng ano. Ha? Hindi mo to ginamit?
Hindi.
Bakit? Walang laman.
Parang ignorante ako dito eh. Hindi ko alam paano to gamitin. So I was just looking at it and then just putting it and there's nothing going out but then she just tried to put it and then do this. Now I know it. Okay, thanks.
Ignorante talaga ang peg. Saan ka ba nakatira? Sa bukid?
Hindi, sa bundok.
So, ito is, I'm using the Dream Lumi Highlighting Concealer. Ooh, nice ni Day. Look.
Ayan,
Oh, para
dapat
din
sa'yo.
siya. Para
You
din
should
siya.
put something like that. Para ano, para hindi naman
Dark.
Oo.
Imuha po, Day. Kaya
God! Look at mine! She was trying to... You ruined my face! Look at this! The perfect makeup I have. It's all ruined. Look at this.
Kunyara,
Hindi,
ipag-dry
okay lang
sa
yan.
Day. Work it.
I can work it. You just try to put something like this and just remove it. Oh my God! Actually, style din. Dapat i-ano mo ulit yan para dito naman sa kabila. Para mag-balance silang dalawa.
I love
Ito na
this.
nga lang gamitin ko.
Perfect. Mas maganda.
Para matabunan.
Mag-cake yan. Ay, naku, Lourdes. Sige.
Ayan na.
Tanggal.
Hindi naman kita eh.
Funny. She's so funny, right? Oh, bonggacious. Ano siya, dark, right?
Amazing! Nag-white na yung face mo.
Or diba? Uy, dabaling dakuha na ako.
Should put some lip balm.
Why?
So that after
Ay,
you
sakto.
finish,
Correct,
you
correct.
can put your lipstick.
Uy, ang galing. You're so good.
Lucy, I'm also an
Oh.
expert.
Ikaw din. Maglagay ka na din.
Naglalagay na ako ng lipstick. Kaya.
Ha? Tapos na? Nag-blush ka na ba?
Nakalimutan ko pala mag-blush.
Grabe ah!
Saan ba yung blush?
Nandyan ata eh. Ay, ito. Ito ba yung gusto mo?
Oo.
Grabe ah. Oh my gosh. Makeup na yun. Ganyan lang.
Ang laki-laki ng brush, parang buong mukha na.
Mas malaki pa sa pisngi mo eh.
Ito, hindi ka na nga lahat eh.
Ay. Grabe. Taba ching-ching kay ko na taon. Tapal ni mo day.
Just put it on. Just a little bit makeup.
Grabe. What are you doing? Uy, grabe.
I'm done.
Wow. Ang ganda.
I know
I'm gonna
it.
I'm gonna set it with, ano ba to? Makeup Revolution Radiance Palette. Uy, chadag yun ni Day. Ay, 100 ko ani. Sa concealer part, radyo ni Day. Okay.
Oh my god, my lipstick. I never had this lipstick before.
Oh my gosh, wala pa nga akong...
Ayan na yung lipstick ko.
Wow! Parang walang makeup lang ang peg.
Dapat ilabas ang hair. Ayan na.
This.
Ganyan.
Yes,
Oh, wait,
sir!
wait,
Give up ako ng mga...
Nakakatawa naman to.
You can change your lips if gusto mo.
Ayoko. Parang si Ruby. Kilala mo si Ruby?
Hindi, sino yun?
Oh my God, you're so ignorante din. Si Ruby, yung naka-red lahat.
Oh, yes. I know her.
Kailangan din ako magsuot ng color
Yes.
red bag. And then, red dress.
Parang ano, she's so hyper ngayon. Bye.
Okay. Tapos ka na ba?
Hindi pa ah!
Nangalahat ka na?
Hindi pa.
Oh my God! Ba't ganun ba dapat mag-makeup?
Yes, sir! Take time. Di ba?
Parang naman akong pok-pok nito. Bilisan mo dyan!
She's so funny. Uy, mag-i-curl mong lash? Wala na, diretso na.
Walang curler.
Wala dyan. Grabe, bye.
Para kaming twins, sabi nila.
Diba? Pero,
Pero mas mataba ka lang. At mas payat naman ako. Nang sobrang payat talaga. Parang skeleton na.
oo nga. Skeleton na nga eh. Uy, nice lagi ang lips ni mo dahil. Uy, bagay ni mo. She's so funny. I love. Okay, bibilisan ko na to kasi tapos na ang isang babae dito.
Oo, kasi maboboard na kami dito.
I'm using this blush. I love this blush. Kanigid ako na yung day.
She really is good in contouring and I usually look at her videos. You should check it out. Kasi it's really very good and you will learn a lot.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, siya yung manager ko eh.
Oo.
So, siya my
Personal
manager.
Dapat galingan niya para may mga ano siya, allowance.
Oh! Ay, gano'n. Kumana ni, oy.
Eh, yung hair naman natin.
Saan na to, itong hair? Oo nga.
Now she's putting on the lipstick. It's very beautiful. You should really smile. And like this. Perfect. I really love her makeup.
Ay, grabe. I'm not done.
She's halfway. Almost there. Like, from 1 to 10, maybe still, I think she's almost 3.
Uy, wala pag talk to the camera.
Hi, camera! How are you? What are you doing right now? Why are you not answering? You're so...
People
Ay,
might think you're
malapit na
crazy.
Over? Crazy agad?
Yes. Crazy.
Sorry, mahiyain talaga ako. At hindi ako talaga sanay sa mga camera, kaya sobrang hinhin ko, and lahat na.
You're so funny. Grabe.
Camera? What are you doing?
Okay na, Day.
Oh my god, she's already finished.
Wala pag yun, Day. Oh my gosh, di mo tapot.
Halfway. So she have many makeup.
Makes up?
Yes. The makes up. You don't know that?
Ito na lang. Ano ba itong mascara na to? Maganda ba? Nice.
Oo, very nice. At napunta sa taas na. Kailan mo i-dry yan. Baka pareho sa akin. Ito, oh. Ito, oh.
Yes, see? Done. Okay na to.
Ang galing!
We're done! Okay, let's do our hair.
What look is it? This is for vacation.
Vacation look?
Uy, pag yung hair dapat ano lang, relax lang. Bakit? Nangyari? Oh my god! Your eyes, see? Look at her.
Oh my god! Grabe, bye!
You're so jelly. Gusto mo talaga ng pareho tayo.
Grabe, ha!
Sa ilalim naman. Sa akin naman sa taas.
Okay. Maghimo na tayo. Okay, finish na.
Okay, finish na kami.
Wait.
Thank you for inviting me here
Wala pa nga
in our
eh.
videos.
Wait muna! Excited talaga to eh.
Kala ko tapos ka na.
Hindi pa pala. Kasi natanggal eh. Oh, Gora.
Finish! Na ano ka? Napasok sa ears mo.
Ulit. 1, 2, 3. Finish! Grabe.
Finish!
Oh yes. Tapos na. Yuhu! Tapos na kami.
Bye! Thank you.
For watching. Thumbs up if gusto niyo yung mga ganitong videos. At thumbs up din if gusto niyo siya sa next video. And, ano pa? Subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video.
And just watch out for our next video.
Yes.
Baka for the spicy noodles.
Yes!
Ito-try namin yan. Ito-try ko. Yun. Siya.
And no arms challenge. Siya yung aking model. Ako yung arms niya. Yeah, I'm so excited for that. Diba?
Hindi. Sige.
Okay, so ano pa ang gagawin natin? We're doing the What's in our makeup
Whisper.
bag and Whisper Challenge.
It
So
would
stay
be very-
tuned! I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too.
So, let's go! Bye guys! So, thank you so much for watching and see you guys in our next video. Our next video!
of getting our tequila for us to drink.
Because
So this is, oh shit.
oh my god, I'm scared.
The smell is so strong.
So I'm here with my sister and we're going to do the
Hi!
get ready with us. English.
Okay, I have an imperfection over here.
Yes, sir.
So,
Webcam.